Got a no AC call. I've already went downstairs into the unit. I'm up here on the roof. It is calling for cool. The condenser breaker is on. It was not tripped. The filter is clean. The fan is running. It's just not blowing cool air. Let's check this out fast because it's starting to rain, and it's expected to rain pretty much all day. Very first thing I'm doing is turning off the power, or pulling the disconnect. Look inside there, make sure everything came out. Remove the service panel, but before we do that, it's raining out today. I don't know where wasps go, but look at that. I don't know if we're gonna piss them off when I take this cover off. So always bring wasp spray with you. Get ready to run. I don't see any movement. Okay. Next, I'm gonna measure voltage on the low voltage coil. I know you see this bouncing around. Don't pay any attention to that. That is ghost voltage. And that's just the way this meter works. Each side of the contactor, I have 26 volts. And you can see the meter right here on this multimeter. 26 volts. Contactor should be pulled in. I'm gonna go to ohms. First, I'm gonna make sure that power is actually off. The high voltage, even though we just pulled the disconnect. And I've got this lead straight to ground. We've got 0 and 0. Now I'm gonna set my meter to ohms, and I'm gonna put one lead on the bottom of the contactor and one on the top. And we have perfect continuity. We've got the beep. I'm gonna do the same to L2. And we have continuity. So what we did right now, we verified that we have 24 volts going to the contactor and that the contactor is closing. So the contactor is doing its job. Now let's reapply power. Breaker is now in. We're gonna go to volts because we don't want to blow up our meter. And I'm gonna check the bottom for voltage, L1 to L2. And we have 0. We have no volts, no voltage. So now I'm gonna go back to the disconnect, pull out the disconnect, and you can see we have fuses in here. Next thing I'm going to do is check continuity on these fuses. They should be acting like a wire. This one is good. And look at that, this one is bad. We've got an OL. So we need to replace this fuse. Rain's starting to come down pretty hard now, so I don't have much time to work. I'm not gonna gauge up or anything like that. Okay, we've got our new fuse. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in. Try not to let it get too wet. And let's see if she fires up. Yep. All right, she fired up. That's it. That's today's AC call. I had a 20-degree Delta T. I'm happy with that. It's pouring rain out. I'm not hooking up gauges, taking compressor amps. I'm not doing any of that in the rain. This is apartment maintenance. I'm closing this ticket out. And the good thing about apartment maintenance is if I miss something, which I probably did due to the weather conditions, we will return and fix it free of charge. Anyway, thank you so much. I'll keep making these videos as long as you keep watching. This is geared towards apartment maintenance technicians and HVAC beginners. Check out the series. Thanks for watching. My name's Dave. See you on the next one.